So in this problem, the siding of a house is 2,250 square feet. The siding needs 2 coats of paint. First, I want to see how many square feet of paint I'll need for the whole project, right? I need 2 coats, so I'm doubling this. So that means I actually need 4,500 square feet of paint. Okay, well, what's the minimum cost of paint needed to complete the job? Well, I'm going to take the larger size can, which is a gallon, and see how many gallons I could use, and then I'll buy a quart if I need to. So I can cover 320 square feet with 1 gallon. So I want to know how many gallons pretty much can I fit in 4,500. So 320 into 450, that'll go once. 0, 3, 130 is less than 320, so I'm good. I can bring down 1,300. Okay, well, 320 times 3 would be 960. But let's check 320 times 4 just to be safe. Oh, 1,280. Yep, that's very close. So 4 times 320 is 1,280, which is a difference of 20. So that means that I can use 14 gallons of paint. 14 gallons of paint is going to cover everything except for 20 square feet. So my 14 stands for gallons, and I have 20 square feet left over. All right, so let's think about that. 14 gallons. I'm just going to mark that over here because I know I definitely need 14 gallons. 14 gallons covers, well, let's see how much it actually covers. 320 times 14. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I'm just checking to see how much this is going to cover. Okay, so my 14 gallons covers 4,480. Well, I still need to cover 20 more square feet. So that means I'm not going to buy another gallon. I don't need that much. I'll buy a quart. A quart actually covers 80 square feet. And I only need 20 out of that 80 square footage. All right, so now this is asking me for cost. Well, if I buy 14 gallons at $29 a gallon, that's going to be $406. Plus, I need 1 quart. So I have $406 plus 18, because $18 for 1 quart. Okay, so $424 is my minimum cost. That's buying 14 gallons and a quart. Okay, well, how much paint is left over when you spend the minimum amount? Well, I use all 14 of my gallons, but in my 1 quart, remember, a quart holds 80 square footage enough for 80 square feet. And I am using only 20. If you remember, look back, we have 20 left over. So I'm only using 20 square feet out of 80. So if you imagine the can, right? Or quart, right? It can hold up to 80. Well, I'm only using up to 20. So how much is left? If I use this much, how much is left? Well, let's look at this as a fraction. 20/80 divided by 10 is 2/8, which is 1/4. So 1/4 is used. That means how much is left over? 3/4 is left over. 3/4 of the quart. So 3/4 quart are left over.